Hello, my name is Suila Reed, and today I want to talk to you about abstinence. Abstinence is the best thing for teenagers right now. There are a lot of teenagers right now that have STDs and who have babies. Life just isn't life if you have to take care of unnecessary things while you're a teenager. If you don't have sex, then you get better grades in school and you end up getting a job and end up being successful without the problems of having to go to the health department every 3 months to get your gonorrhea fixed and your chlamydia and your cervical cancer, and instead of going home after school to feed your baby or dropping out of school when you're 15, 14, 16 just so you can take care of a kid that is not going to get a better life as it could when you're 23 or 24 because you had sex before marriage and you didn't wear protection. The best way to prevent pregnancy and STD is abstinence. If you absolutely have to have sex, make sure you wear a condom. Condoms don't always work. That's why abstinence will be the best option for you. Listen, I know you don't know me, and I know that you might just hear the words going through your ear and out the other, but just consider what I'm saying. Abstinence is going to be a great choice. In the long run, you'll look back on it and say, that random chick on the computer had a point. Yes. Thank you for your time.